Napansin mo pag nag-post ka ng video sa TikTok o social media, kaunti lang ang nagre-react o nagla-like, pero maraming views. Ano ang lesson? People will not like you, but definitely they are watching you.
Starting out our life together. The light is in your eyes. Love is in